Hey friends, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to easily make money from Revolut by referring someone or referring your friends. Once you open up a Revolut account, you will see one of the first thing it mentions here right below your account is to invite friends and earn. So you can see in my currency it says I can earn 1,500 check run to simply refer someone. Right, so how does it work? You can basically click on invite your friends to earn, and you'll see the option it says you can set up with your link, or you can just simple tap on invite friends. Go ahead and click on share link. You tap on that and you can share this specific link, right? So you can choose through whichever app you want to go ahead and share it, and you'll be able to share the link with your friends. So you can easily share it with WhatsApp. You can put it into your YouTube videos. If you have a YouTube channel, you can put it on your social media account, Facebook, Instagram, wherever you want to share this, guys. You can easily go ahead and share that with Revolut. And that's it. You will be able to earn money, or let's say be rewarded by simply referring people. And here you can see it says you will receive your reward few days after your friends complete all the steps, right? So 5 rewards max per period. So go ahead and read through all of this and you'll be able to know how you can easily earn money on Revolut.